Praise you, Jesus. Praise you, God. Praise you, Jesus. Father in heaven, right now, we are gathered here. We are gathered because we, as a community, and we, as individuals, want to be restored back to you. Lord, in the times that we have been unfaithful to our covenant with you, Lord, we want to go back to you. We are saying sorry, Lord. You know, the times that we have taken you for granted, the times that we have been unfaithful to our prayer time. You know, the times that we have tinamad kami mag-household. You know, the times na mas bumilid kami sa sarili namin kaysa sa inyo. At yung mga oras na mas importante sa amin yung mga ginagawa namin kaysa sa relationship natin. Lord, hear our plea. We want to be restored back to you. Lord, bring us back to you. Lord, ang gusto namin ngayong gabi, kiligin ulit kami sa pagmamahal mo sa amin. Yun lang yung hiling namin. And as we offer to you this song, Lord, we are worshiping to you tonight. We are worshiping you tonight. Be in our hearts, and may we worship you fully with all our hearts. May we feel your presence. May we feel your love. Brothers and sisters, my titos and my titas, you know, lahat na narinig natin. Sabi lang naman, let us go back to the Lord and make this song our prayer. Let's worship the Lord like we have never worshipped before. This is our opportunity to go back to Him and worship Him with all our hearts.
Here I am to worship, here I am to bow down, here I am to say that you're my God. You're altogether loving, altogether worthy, altogether wonderful to me.
You offer this song as your prayer.
See my sin.